a pro versus a rookie packing a golf bag.
As a full-time reseller, one of my favorite things to sell are golf bags. And believe it or not, they're super simple to ship. Now let me show you how I pack and ship these golf bags. First thing I do is get a black construction bag, and I'll put the golf bag inside that bag. We'll tie up the top and we'll put it aside. Next, you're going to want a lamp box from U-Haul. It's 12 by 12 by 40. We're going to close up the bottom. We'll go ahead and flip it around, and now we'll put the golf bag inside. It'll be a nice tight fit with air still in the trash bag, so you can pop a little hole in it to let the air out. Most golf bags are 36 inches in height, so we're going to resize this box down to 37 inches so that it fits better. Once we have the box resized, we're going to go ahead and grab some extra packing paper. Just put it around the inside of the box and over the top of the bag. This will prevent the bag from moving around and add a little bit extra protection. And I use FedEx or...
Okay, so I've got the tape, painter's tape to squish it down to try and fit in the lamp box. And then now U-Haul had a golf bag box, so I bought one of those. But I'm trying to fit in the lamp box to save on shipping costs for the buyer. And the garbage bag's not big enough that we bought, so I'm taping it around the golf bag, so that other box is too big, so I'm going to use the lamp box. And I put another bag on top, and I taped that one, and it goes in the lamp box. It didn't get stuck. Yay. And so I have to do these corners. I don't have a box cutter, so I'm trying to follow the line under the U-Haul. It's perfect height. However, I can't draw a straight line for the life of me. Oh, I forgot the rain cover. So now I'm putting that clear plastic bag. But that works out okay because it'll act as filler. Okay, now I'm cutting the corners. You can see my lines. I don't have patience to use a ruler, and I don't have a box cutter because I haven't really needed one. I'm trying to keep my costs down for all the tools I buy. So here I am struggling to do the sides. I'm like, this is really bulky. Do I need all this cardboard? Like, this is going to be like an inch of cardboard. So I'm going to cut each half of those sides and then cut that half off. Me in the middle, I'm taping it. I don't have one of those tape guns either because for the life of me, I'm not coordinated as a tape gun. Okay, so you could see on this edge facing the camera how that's going to be completely uneven. But here I am taping as if my life depended on it. It's uneven, so I'm going to cut a poly bag and tape that on there so it looks better. And also, so, I don't know, those quarters. And I'm like, oh, I got to tape the bottom of the box because I wasn't sure if I was going to use this box. And I'm taping the bottom. Make sure there's no snags on that poly bag cover. Yay, it worked. Okay. Oh, don't forget the shake test.